Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial about how to set up an APA title page. So what you're going to do is make sure first of all that your margins look correct. APA should have 1-inch margins, so these look fine. We're going to put our page number up here in the top right corner. We're not going to do that manually because then it gets bumped around anytime we add anything on the page. So we're going to use the feature in Google Docs. I am doing this in Google Docs, although you can also do this in Microsoft Word. You can use all the same features. They just might be located in a slightly different place in Word. So in Google Docs, we're going to go to Insert, Page Number, and we're going to choose this option that has the page numbers in the top right corner. So that automatically places the page number over here in the header on the right hand side. Nothing else needs to go in your header. So the next thing to do is to make sure that our page is double spaced and that we're centering. We're going to begin the title page information a few lines down. So I'm just going to hit enter 6 times. And I'm going to start typing right here. Now we do have a thing link posted in the course. I'll also copy the link into the video description, but this title page here, this title page thing link has information that you can reference to make sure that you're doing the title page correctly if you have questions about the order of material. So the first thing that we include is a title for your paper, and it's going to be a unique title. I don't want to receive 20 copies of Personal Essay or Unit 1 Essay. You also can't use the same title as the reading that you're referencing in the article because this is their title. You need to come up with your own title. So we'll just make something up and we'll say, how struggling can be a benefit, right? So we have our title, and now that I'm looking at this, I want to check my font and make sure that the font is correct. This is Arial 11 point. I prefer Times New Roman 12, which is appropriate for APA formatting. But you do need to have either Times New Roman 12 or Arial Calibri or Georgia 11. The next item down is going to be the student name. Then where and when you're going to submit the paper also need to be included. So you're going to write English Department, Delaware Technical Community College. And then the course name. If you're in a different course, obviously you'd use a different course name. Then your instructor name. And then the date. This should always be the due date or the submission date of the final paper, and it should always be written out. So I'm just going to use today's date. But you'll make sure to use the date that you're going to be submitting this paper. So this covers your title page. The rest of the page is left blank, and you're not going to start your paper until you get to the first the top of the next page, where you're going to include your title. So I'm just going to copy my title. Actually, we're going to put the title in bold, and then we're going to copy that. We're going to put it at the top of the second page, and then we're going to take off the centering function. We're going to move back over here to left align. We'll just indent like we normally do at the beginning of a paragraph. And this, oops, I'm still on bold. This is where you'll type your paper. So this is how you do it in Google Drive. Microsoft Word is very similar. You can still put the page number in the top right corner of the header. You can still center, you can still double space. All of your margins and your font information stay the same when you're in Microsoft Word. There will be another video about how to do the references page and another video about how to include embedded citations in your essay. So look for those additional videos.